Here's to startup news. I am your host Aishwarya. Before I proceed with today's news, the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. I request our viewers to take necessary precautions. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, and do not step out of your house unnecessarily. Please maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. Top headlines for today are: Flipkart plans $1 billion fundraising. Niti Aayog and MasterCard release Connected Commerce report. Vikalp Sahni to launch EcoCare soon. News for today are: Bengaluru headquartered e-commerce firm Flipkart is planning to raise $1 billion fundraising. The Walmart-owned firm is in preliminary talks with investors to raise the amount ahead of IPO. Niti Aayog and MasterCard have released Connected Commerce, creating a roadmap for digitally inclusive Bharat. This report contains the challenges in boosting the digital and financial insertion and includes ways in which digital services can be made available to everyone. GoIbibo's founding member and its former CTO Vikalp Sahni has launched a COVID help app, EcoCare. EcoCare provides 24/7 free consultation to COVID-19 patients. Online investment platform Grow has signed a contract with Indiabulls Housing Finance in order to acquire its asset management company for Rs 175 crore. The step has been taken by Grow to enter the mutual funds business. SaaS platform Locobuzz has raised Rs 9 crore in pre-Series A funding round from Maharashtra State Social Venture Fund of Small Industries Development Bank of India Venture Capital Limited. The funds will be used to improve the technical aspects of the firm along with increasing team functions and marketing and sales efforts. Gurugram-based Ed plus HR tech platform Geekster has raised $2 lakh in pre-series seed round led by startup investment platform V-Founder Circle. The round also saw participation from Ah Ventures. Cartrade.com has turned itself into a public company ahead of its IPO, which is scheduled for this year. The Mumbai-based online auto classified startup's registered name is Cartrade Tech Limited. Telangana-based registrar and transfer agency KFin Technologies has acquired a 17% stake in insurtech startup RTVA-Tech.ai. The deal has been closed for an undisclosed amount and will make a way for KFin's entry into India's insurtech space. Consumer technology startup Nothing has unveiled a pair of wireless earphones called Ear One as its first product, which is scheduled for launch next month. Indian online insurer Acko General Insurance Limited is seeking a new funding round that could value the company at more than $1 billion. The Amazon.com backed startup is planning to raise about $200 million in the round. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.